Hello, this is lecture number 6 for the chapter differential equation for the class 12th. Today we are starting with the solution of differential equation, and the differential equation is homogeneous. Now what is a homogeneous differential equation? A function f(x,y) is said to be homogeneous in degree n if lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda की power n f x into y for any non-zero constant lambda. A function f(x,y) is said to be a differential equation of degree n if f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda की power n f x y. Or in the simple language, if the degree of each term in the differential equation are same, then the differential equation is said to be homogeneous. Let us take an example. Suppose we have f x y and it is in function in terms of x and y, and if I replace in place of x lambda x and in place of y lambda y, it is coming out to be lambda square y square plus 2 lambda x lambda y, and you are getting lambda square common 2 xy, which is lambda square fxy. So it is lambda f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda की power n, this is of degree 2 fxy. So this is a differential equation of degree, homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. Let us take another example. fxy is equal to 2x minus 3y. Now if I replace in place of x lambda x, in place of y lambda y, and if we can take lambda common here, so it is lambda fxy. So this is the differential equation, homogeneous differential equation of degree 1, क्योंकि power of lambda here is 1. Let us take another. fxy is equal to cos y upon x. So if replace lambda x and lambda y in place of x and y, and lambda y lambda x, it is equal to cos y upon x, that is lambda की power 0 fxy. So it is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 0. Let us take another. fxy is equal to sin x plus cos y, in place of x lambda x, in place of lambda y, it is equal to sin lambda x lambda y, but it is not equal to lambda की power n fxy. So therefore it is not a homogeneous differential equation. So this is how we can find whether it is a whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or not. Now if you confirm that it is a homogeneous differential equation, then you have to let y is equal to vx, that is d by dx is equal to v. Use the product rule in the right hand side and replace this value in the homogeneous differential equation. This is the first type homogeneous differential equation, where the function is dx upon dy is equal to fxy. Now if any differential equation is of the form dx upon dy is equal to fxy, that is the reciprocal of this, then in that we let that x is equal to vy, and there if we have dx upon dy is equal to v plus dv upon dy, because we have differentiated with respect to y. So this is how you can solve the homogeneous differential equation. Now let us start with the exercise. it is 9.5. The exercise is 9.5 and the question number it is 1. So it is x square plus x into y plus into dy is equal to x square plus y square into dx. Now if it is given that you have to find whether you have to show that each of the following is a homogeneous differential equation and then you have to solve. Now if you replace x by lambda x and y by lambda y in the given equation, and if it is equal to lambda ki power n fxy, then it is a homogeneous differential equation. So you put it in the right hand side, you are getting lambda square x square plus lambda square y square upon lambda square, it is lambda square x square plus lambda square xy. Now lambda square will be cancelled out and you are getting the same differential equation as the above. It is equal to fxy. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. Or if it is not given that you have to show that it is a homogeneous differential equation, how can you find easily? If you see that every term, it's the degree of every term is 2. The degree of this term is 2, the degree of this term is altogether 1 plus 1. The degree of this term is 2, 1, and the degree of this term it is also 2, so it is a homogeneous differential equation. Now how you have to solve it? We have to solve it by letting y is equal to vx. So it will be dy dx will be equal to product rule we have to use, dv upon dx plus into x, and replace it here. It will be v plus dv upon dx, dy dx, the value is equal to x square, and replace the value of y as vx, v square x square upon x square, and x into y will be x square v, x square v, when you replace the value of y as vx. So you are getting v plus dv upon dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v. When you are solving this type of homogeneous differential equation, then in the right hand side all the terms containing x will be cancelled out. Only you will get the terms having v. Now after that you have to take this v to the right hand side and simplify it. You will get a separable variable differential equation. So in this it will be cancelled out. So you are getting 1 plus v upon 1 minus v square dv is equal to dx. When you put the value of y is equal to vx and replace the value of dy dx and arranging it, we will get a separable variable differential equation. That is, the dv will contain all the terms containing v and dx will have all the terms containing x. And after that you have to take the integration on both sides. Both sides you have to take the integration. In the right hand side the integration of 1 is x plus c, and this differential equation is a special integration, or you integrate it by using or separating it into two integral, or you can use any method to integrate it. So what I am doing, I am breaking it into two integrals. Now this is a integral, special integral 1 upon 1 minus a square minus x square, and this is the v upon 1 minus v square, where you can let 1 minus v square is equal to t. You can integrate it by substitution method. So integrate it, what I am getting, it is in the we have 1 upon a square minus x square integral 1 upon 2a. A is 1 log a square minus x square, that is a plus x upon a minus x, and here we have the integral v upon 1 minus v square with respect to t v, and in the right hand side. So here you can let 1 minus v square is equal to t, so it will be minus 2v is equal to dt upon dv. You can replace the value of dv as dt upon minus ka 2v. So it is half log, the integration in this type of homogeneous, it will be, you replace the value of dv. We have let 1 minus v square as t, dt upon minus ka 2v is equal to x plus c. T will be cancelled out, so minus ka half log t it will be there, x plus c. You can replace the value of v, क्या लेट करा था हमने, y is equal to vx, तो v will be equal to y upon x. So in place of v you have to replace y upon x. So in this question the integration become lengthy, and replace the value of t, which is 1 minus v square, and in place of v you replace y upon x. So somewhat difficult rather, it is a long integration we are getting after letting y is equal to vx. At the end you have to replace v as y upon x. Let us take another. We have dy upon dx is equal to x plus y upon x. Now if we put x is equal to lambda x and y is equal to lambda y, you will get lambda x plus lambda y upon x, and lambda x you are getting x plus y upon x, which is equal to fxy. Therefore homogeneous differential equation it is. So what you have to let, because it is a homogeneous differential equation, so you let y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx, so it will be dy upon dx is equal to v, using the, always will get this in place of dy dx, हमेशा यही आता है आपके पास. So it is equal to v plus x dv upon dx, x vx upon x. So I already told you, in the right hand side you will get only the terms containing v when you put the value of y is equal to vx in the right hand side. Now you take v to the right hand side, you will get only one we say v cancel out, separable variable, you are getting this. Now taking integration on both sides, so 1 का integration with respect to v, it will be equal to v, integration of 1 upon x is mod x plus c, क्या लेट करा था आपने इसको, y upon x. So this is the solution of somewhat easy question. It is homogeneous differential equation. So in this the integration it not very long, it is a basic concept of this homogeneous differential equation. Let us take another. We have x minus y dy minus x plus y dx is equal to 0. So dy upon dx is equal to x plus y upon x minus y. Now you can easily prove that it is a linear homogeneous differential equation by putting x is equal to lambda x and y is equal to lambda y. Now what you have to let, y is equal to vx you have to let, and the dy dx is always as v plus x dv upon dx. When you replace it in here, it will be v plus x dv upon dx is equal to x, in place of y it is vx, in place of y in the denominator it is vx, and you are getting this as v plus x dv upon dx. Always the x will be cancelled out in the right hand side, take x common in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Then what you have to do, you have to take this v to the right hand side, it will be 1 plus v upon 1 minus v minus v. You have taken this v to the right hand side. Simplify it, dv upon dx into v, it will be 1 plus v minus v plus v square upon 1 minus v. V cancelled out, and it will be 1 plus v square, 1 plus v square, cross multiplied, 1 minus v, it is only x here. Do the correction, it will be 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square dv and 1 upon x dx. Separable variable, collecting the terms containing v and with the dv and x with the dx. Taken integration on both sides, it will be log x mod x plus c. Here, as we have done in the question number 1, you can break into two integrations. This is integration हो गया 1 upon v square, which is tan inverse v, and you can let 1 plus v square is equal to t, as we have done in the question number 1 of this exercise, and you can integrate it. Okay, you will get half log of 1 plus v square, and put the value of v as y upon x, value of v as y upon x here also and here also. So this is the question number 3 of the exercise 9.5 of the homogeneous differential equation. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.